back to Lil'Whizkids today. We are going to make a rhyme to help learn the alphabet. Come on, let's say the ABCs from A to Z. Just follow me. Learning letters can be so much fun. Join our alphabet adventure, everyone. A is for apple, a juicy delight. B is for bear, so fuzzy and bright. C is for cat, with whiskers so neat. D is for dog, with wiggly feet. E is for elephant, big and grey. Join us as we learn and play. F is for frog, jumping by the stream. G is for guitar, a musical dream. H is for hippo, in the water so cool. I is for ice cream, so sweet we all drool. J is for jellyfish, swimming so free. In the alphabet, we're filled with glee. K is for kite, flying high above. L is for lion, the king we love. M is for monkey, swinging with glee. N is for nest, high in a tree. O is for octopus, with arms so long, learning our ABCs. Come on, join along. Come on, let's say the ABCs from A to Z. Just follow me. Learning letters can be so much fun. Join our alphabet adventure, everyone. P is for panda, black and white. Q is for queen, dressed so right. R is for rainbow, colors in the sky. S is for sun, shining up high. T is for tiger, with stripes so grand. Learning letters is fun with a band. U is for umbrella, in the rain so sweet. V is for violin, a musical treat. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X marks the spot, a treasure it could be. Y is for yo-yo, going up and down. Z is for zebra, black and white in town. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe and check out our other Lil'Whizkids videos. Keep learning and stay curious. Have a great day. Goodbye.